Hello, everyone. Welcome to Chill and Fun English Learning. I'm so happy to have you here today. Today, we will talk about the weather. Talking about the weather is very useful. It is a good way to start a conversation. You can talk about the weather with new friends. You can talk about the weather with your neighbors. It is easy and fun. Don't worry if you don't understand everything the first time. That's perfectly normal. The key is to relax, listen actively, and enjoy the process. I will speak slowly and clearly. I will teach you how to ask about the weather. I will teach you how to answer. We will use simple words. We will use simple sentences. You can use them every day. Let's begin. Part 1. Asking about the weather. First, how do you ask about the weather? It is very simple. You can say, "What's the weather like?" Or you can say, "How's the weather?" Both questions are good. They mean the same thing. You can use them anywhere. Let's practice. Say it with me. What's the weather like? How's the weather? Good job. Part 2. Answering about the weather. Now, how do you answer? The answer is also very simple. You start with it's. Let's learn some words to put after it's. When the sun is shining, you can say, "It's sunny." This means the sun is bright. It is a good day. You can also say, "It's a sunny day." Say it with me. It's sunny. When water falls from the sky, you can say, "It's rainy." This means rain is falling. The ground is wet. You can also say, "It's raining." Say it with me. It's rainy. When you see white or gray clouds, you can say, "It's cloudy." This means the sky is full of clouds. You cannot see the Sunday. Say it with me. It's cloudy. When the air is moving fast, you can say, "It's windy." This means the wind is strong. Your hat might fly away. Say it with me. It's windy. When snow is falling, you can say, "It's snowy." This means it is snowing. The ground will be white. You can also say, "It's snowing." Say it with me. It's snowy. When fog is in the air, you can say, "It's foggy." This means you cannot see far. The air is thick. Say it with me. It's foggy. When the air is wet, you can say, "It's humid." This means the air is wet and heavy. You might feel sticky. Say it with me. It's humid. Great. You now know many words to describe the weather. Part 3. More details about the weather. Let's add more words to make your sentences better. For sunny weather. It's a beautiful day. The sun is out. The sky is clear. It's very bright outside. These are all good ways to talk about a nice day. For rainy weather. It's raining outside. It's a little wet. It's pouring. This means it is raining very hard. Don't forget your umbrella. The sky is gray. For cold weather, you can say, "It's cold." You can also say, "It's chilly." This means a little bit cold. You can say, "It's freezing." This means very, very cold. Wear a warm coat. There is snow on the ground. For hot weather, you can say, "It's hot." You can also say, it's warm. This means a little bit hot. You can say, it's boiling. This means very, very hot. It's a hot day. I need a cold drink. Part 4. Talking about temperature. We can also talk about the temperature. You can ask, what's the temperature? The answer is simple. You say, it's degrees. For example, the temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. It's 25 degrees. You can use simple words to describe the temperature too. It's very cold. Maybe 0 degrees. It's cold. Maybe 5 degrees. It's cool. Maybe 15 degrees. Not hot, not cold. It's warm. Maybe 25 degrees. A little hot. It's hot. Maybe 30 degrees. It's very hot. Maybe 35 degrees or more. Part 5. Talking about future weather. How do you ask about the weather for tomorrow or later? You can ask, what will the weather be like tomorrow? Will is for the future. You can also ask, will it rain later? Later means in the future. The answers are simple. It will be sunny tomorrow. It might rain later. Might means maybe. It will be cloudy later. Part 6. Practice and summary. Okay, let's practice what we learned. I will say a weather word. You say a sentence with it. Sunny. You say, it's a sunny day. Rainy. You say, it's rainy outside. Cold. You say, it's very cold. Hot. You say, it's a hot day. Windy. You say, it's windy today. Good job. You can now talk about the weather. Remember these simple phrases. What's the weather like? It's sunny, rainy, cloudy. It's hot, cold, warm, chilly. What will the weather be like tomorrow? Practice these phrases every day. Look outside your window and say the weather in English. It is a simple habit. It will help you speak English more. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more simple English lessons. See you next time.